Learning to speak English means to communicate with other people in a new language, where at the beginning you will make many mistakes. This makes starting to talk with other people in English one of the most difficult things you will face. So, the best thing you can do is to be aware of this fact and prepare yourself in advance. Thus, when that moment comes, you will not be paralyzed without being able to say a complete sentence. I know very well that it is so scary just to think about the moment when other people laugh at you for the bad pronunciation or the grammatical errors, which are normal at the beginning. But the truth is that the people whom we speak English to know that we are learning and don't care about the mistakes we make. Moreover, they respect the fact that we are trying to communicate in their language. Just imagine a situation in which a foreigner is trying to speak Spanish or your native language with some difficulty to tell you something important, and in the end, he does it. That will be something to admire. Well, the way to improve our confidence to face these situations is to learn at least the basic concepts of interpersonal relationships. The first thing I recommend is to make a search about this topic in YouTube. You will find hundreds of videos in which you can learn how to improve your interactions with other people. This is not necessary to do it with videos in English. They can be in Spanish or any other language, because the same things that apply in communication with other people in our language can also be perfectly applied in the first conversations in English. To make it more fun, one of the things that I did was to watch the videos of channels where they teach how to flirt with women. These channels have very good content that you can use to learn how to start conversations, how to attract a beautiful woman, how to be a better conversationalist, and all these kind of things. This is one of the best ways to learn about human interactions. In the end, sooner or later you will find yourself in the situation where you want to attract someone of the opposite sex. The thing is that YouTube is possibly the best resource to find tips that can help you learn techniques to improve your interpersonal relationships. Getting along with other people is of vital importance to our lives. It makes getting what we want much easier, and of course makes those first conversations in another language even fun. This is the reason why I included this video in this course, because when you have learned basic interpersonal relationship techniques, you will be able to extend a conversation to continue practicing. You will be able to give an adequate compliment, and best of all, you will be someone likable to maintain a conversation with. Remember that learning about interpersonal relationships will undoubtedly help you to have an interview for a job in English. Now in this moment, make a few searches on Google or YouTube, such as interpersonal relationships, human interaction scores, human relations course, or how to start a conversation. Then you will get many results where you can learn more about this so interesting topic.